We are weekend warriors. We do not camp full time, so this camper is sitting in our driveway or our yard most of the time. So in this video, we're going to show you some things that you can use your camper for when you're not camping.
Hi, I'm Rick.
I'm Sharon.
And we are Cargo On.
Cargo Conversion Building Camp.
So I don't want to be accused of this being clickbait, so I want to start off talking about Rick being in the doghouse. Yes, he was in the doghouse. Figuratively speaking, in the doghouse. I think everyone knows what that means. Not in a good place that you're arguing with your spouse. So look, you're married. You ever get into an argument with your spouse? Of course, it's over something very stupid and silly. But one of you gets upset and you grab your pillow and you go huffing out into the living room to sleep on the couch. Well, if you have a camper, you don't need to do that. You can go sleep in a more comfortable bed than the couch. Just go outside.
Well, honey, I guess it's just you and me.
So I gotta tell you a funny story. The inspiration for this video comes from a true story. Rick and I had a spat one night. I don't even remember what it was about. Something silly, I'm sure. So he grabbed his pillow and he left the room. So I wake up the next morning and I find out not only did he take his pillow, but he took his dog and he went out into the camper to sleep. Well, when I found that out, I was laughing so hard hysterically that we weren't arguing anymore. Okay, so aside from a doghouse, if one of you guys are spatting and need a place to sleep, let me talk about some other things you can use the camper for. I love to do jigsaw puzzles. The problem is the cat will jump up on it and mess it up, or we'll need the table space. So it's perfect if we go out there in the trailer, nobody goes out there, and we could do a jigsaw puzzle out there and leave it there unattended, and it won't get disassembled while we're putting it together. If you have kids, you can also use it for their science projects or art projects, because you don't want the cat jumping on them and messing them up. There's no room. Is your refrigerator full? Admit it, you thought I was going to say, is your refrigerator running? You better go get it. Please. I'm so much more mature than that. Are you having a party? Do you need extra space? Consider using the camper. It's a great temporary space for storage in your refrigerator. Speaking of storage, the biggest thing our camper is used for off-season is storage. We usually just store all the camper stuff in there. Christmas time, you need a place to hide gifts? Put them in the camper. You can even use it for a wrapping station. How about a she shed? You can use it for your crafting stuff, scrapbooking, whatever you need it for. Sometimes we even use this, like today, as our YouTube studio. Before we get back into the video, we're going to have a word from, I'll call him a sponsor. It's my brother's dog, Chico, and he has something he wants to tell you. So Chico says his daddy may not be watching all of our YouTube videos, and Chico usually watches them with his daddy. So Chico's daddy is my brother. Tell your daddy, click the subscribe button and click the bell, and then he will be notified anytime we have a video, and he'll never miss one of our entertaining videos again. So you don't want to be left out in the cold. So subscribe and hit that bell, and then you'll be notified of our next video. Okay, back to business. Where were we? I even use it as a private office sometimes. I need privacy to be HIPAA compliant. I go out into the camper, and nobody else in the house can hear my conversation.
Oh yeah, it's going to be a man cave.
I don't know about a man cave, but I want to take it and go tailgating, but Rick won't let me, so this is a picture of my sister-in-law and her family having fun. It can double as a spare bedroom. You got guests coming over? No worries. Put them in the camper. What? You want me to sleep in the trailer? Oh my God. Have you lost your mind? Your father will be rolling in his grave right now. And how about this one? If you got a full house like us and you need some privacy, use the camper. Go out there, light some candles, have a nice romantic dinner. Just remember,
Trailer's rocking. Don't come knocking.
hey, maybe everyone's just getting on your nerves and you need some quiet. You need some peace. You need solitude. Go out in the camper. You can meditate. You can do yoga. Read a book. Just take some time for you and chill.
So that's it, everyone. Came up with some things we use the camper for when we're not camping. But I'm sure you guys have many more ideas. So you know what? Put them down below in the comments. We'd love to know some of the creative ways that you use your camper.
That's a wrap, everyone. You know what to do if you like this video.
You all come back now, you hear?